Welcome to this brief overview of the Hotel Forecast Toolkit. When you enter, you will enter your starting date, and this can be any time. The system will then automatically populate all the future months for a 2-year period from then. You enter your hotel name, the date you're creating this, and your name. First of all, you do your accommodation forecast, and then here you're going to enter your number of rooms. You forecast your occupancy, out of service room nights, average room rates, and average revenue and additional revenue per occupied room. You do that for the full 2-year period. You then enter your assumptions in terms of your cost of sales, your staff costs, and your other operating costs. You enter any further costs, capital expenditures, depreciations, and interest payments. Finally, for accommodation, you choose your collection period, your payment period for cost of sales, your payment period for staff, and your payment period for operating costs. All of this is exactly the same for food and beverage, although here, of course, we're looking at meals per day, beverages per day, average food and average beverage checks, and then everything else here is the same. Automatically, you're already going to get your metrics tab. This is going to populate as you've entered your accommodation forecast. You'll get here your revenue, rooms available, rooms sold, occupancy, ADR, RevPAR, and TrevPAR for the full 2-year period. To calculate your cash flow, you'll need to enter your opening cash balance. Then you'll need to enter receivables and debtors, any payables, tax, creditors, and then loans at the bottom. All of that will then generate your 3 green reports here at the end. First of all is your full 2-year P&L presented for you like this. So those first 2 sheets are all you need to enter to get to this point. This will give you the full 2-year P&L with all of those cost percentages put in, and everything there will calculate for you automatically. Also created will be your quarterly P&L. This again is going to be all that same data but presented quarter by quarter, and this is perfect for sharing with senior leaders, operators, lenders, and anyone else who's going to need to see your forecast profit and loss information. All of this is set to perfect print ranges. Everything will print first time for you, and as you can see, when you print, none of this is going to look like Excel. It's going to be a professional print out for you. Final element is your full cash flow. To get the cash flow, you do need to complete that red tab at the bottom in order to get your full cash flow. And again, here you are going to get the full 2-year cash flow with minimal input from all of that data from the first few sheets. So here you can see that cash flow report. You're going to get all of your information on receipts, payments, and then opening and closing balances month by month. So there you have it. That's a quick overview of the Hotel Forecast Toolkit. Sign up today and start using the Forecast Toolkit.